everyone! Today I want to tell you about my most memorable Mid-Autumn Festival. It was last year when I was 10 years old. That year, my family and I went to the park near my house in Phan Rang, Tháp Chàm. The park was decorated with many colorful lanterns of different shapes, like stars and fish. It looked very beautiful. I was with my parents and my younger brother. We carried our own lanterns and walked around the park. We also watched a lion dance, which was very exciting and a little bit scary. The lions moved so fast. After walking, we sat on a bench and ate delicious mooncakes together. My favorite mooncake is with green bean paste. We also watched the full moon in the sky. I felt so happy and excited that evening. It was a very special Mid-Autumn Festival because I had and the park was truly magical. I remember it very well.